binary to hexadecimal conversion. How a binary is converted to hexadecimal, we will see now. Base of the hexadecimal is 16 and binary is 2. Base of the hexadecimal is 4th power to the base of the binary, that is 16 is equals to 2 power 4. So 16 is equals to 2 power 4. So a hexadecimal can be represented by grouping of 4 bits in the binary. So a single hexadecimal value is obtained by grouping of 4 bits in the binary. So let us take an example. This is an example. So this is the binary. We need to convert to hexadecimal. So by grouping 4 bits, a hexadecimal value is obtained. So write here 10001 1001. So grouping of 4 bits is done from LSB to MSB, that is from right to left. So first group these 4 bits and group down these 4 bits and group down these 4 bits. So 4 bits are completed. Suppose if there is any one bit left, so you can proceed with zeros and you can take it as 4 bits as a group. So no bit is left, so no, there is no problem. So 1001 means this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So this is 0, you will get 0. 1 plus 2 power 3 is 8. So you will get 9. And this is 8. And this is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 means in hexadecimal presented as D. So D89 is the hexadecimal equivalent of the binary value, this one. Hexadecimal to binary. This is the reverse operation of binary to hexadecimal. In hexadecimal to binary conversion, each hexadecimal digit is converted to binary with 4 bits. That means a value of hexadecimal, say let us take 8. So it is represented with 4 bits. That is 8 means 2 power 3, 1 0 0 0. So every single digit in hexadecimal is represented with 4 equivalent bits to its binary. So let us take an example. So as I told you, each single digit of hexadecimal is converted to its binary with 4 equivalent bits. So 3FD. So D means what? D is nothing but 13. So it is represented as 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1101. F means 15. So all ones. 3 means 0011. 2 plus 1 3. So this is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal value 3FD. 0011 11 11 1101. So let us take an example with fraction part. So convert convert 5A 9.B4, this is a hexadecimal, to its binary. Even if the example consists of a fraction, this fraction part also converted into its binary with 4 equivalent bits only. So let us start from 9. So 9 is represented into its binary with 1001 and A is 10. So it is represented as 1010. 5 means 0101. Point. B means 11. So B is represented as 1011 and 4 is 0100. So this is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal value. So let us take here 0101 1010 1001 0.10110100 is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal 5A9.B4 by taking the powers of 2 from 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. Hope you understood.